Hi guys, welcome to Spot Area channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp notifications not working on iPhone. If WhatsApp notifications aren't working properly, then this video is for you. If you are having this problem, this means that you are having issues with sounds, banners, or badges notifications. Yeah, this video explains how you can address various iOS notifications problems. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Yeah, this video explains how you can address various iOS notifications problem. First thing, you have to make sure that push notifications are enabled. Here is how you can check it. On your iPhone, go to the setting and tap notifications. And scroll down until you find WhatsApp. I'm gonna click right now. And turn on allow notifications. And also you can follow the second steps. You have to open your WhatsApp apps and go to the setting, click the notifications option, and turn on show notifications. So guys, that's it from me. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck.